Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my live stream. So I hope everyone hear my audio. Okay, so in this live, we are gonna talk about the Candydrop. I will tell you the project and also project full details we are gonna discuss in this live. I'm gonna give you analysis. So whatever I'm sharing, it's my opinion, my own opinion. So if you wanted to try to make an investment, that you have to make your own analysis. I'm not a financial advisor here, so that I wanted to mention all the time. Okay. So before entering into the topic, I would like to share some more red packets for the users who are watching the stream in a Gate Exchange. And I think for many of you watching the stream in a YouTube, you are not aware about the red packet feature. So, which is a feature you're gonna get your free USDT rewards. I think I will show you today because many people was not joining the Gate Exchange live. They are directly you're watching into the YouTube itself. So I am gonna show you how to watch my Gate live and also how to collect the red packets from my live. And the minimum you're gonna get the USDTs. That is always I try to share the USDTs, and sometimes I'll also offer you some more tokens too. So one by one I will show you. Okay, just to hold a moment, we'll discuss more about it. Okay, so I will show you the page where you can join my GateLive. So actually, this is the page, web page on for a Gate. So this is the Gate Exchange site or web page you can visit. These links are in a description. If you wish to join, you can use it. Okay, I also gave you some more referral link too. Okay, so here you can see the community. So from the community, there is a square, live chat, many things. You can also join my Gate chat too. I will show you. So here is a chat option. No? So if you open it, you may also get to see that chat. It's my group chat. You can see here. If for Priya, if you can able to see that, you can join that. So here there is a live option, and I will first mute the site. Okay, so here is my live stream. You can see that this is my live. It's simultaneously I'm streaming in both Gate Exchange as well in YouTube. So I think this is a live page you have to enter to receive your red packets. You can see that red packet symbol, and not only me, every lives you can. Many of the lives you'll get this red packets. Okay, it's loading. I'm not, yeah, it's muted. Okay, so this is, yes. So if you click on the live here, I'm, so here, these are the red packets. You can see the red packets. Yeah, so these are the red packets. Hopefully my audio is muted here. Okay. So these are the red packets. Okay. So for the after the countdown was over, you might get it. Okay. So this is USDT packets. This is what I'm offering here. So whoever wish to join my Gate Live, you can join and enjoy your free rewards, which is absolutely free for you that you can claim it. Yeah, I hope you understood what I'm trying to explain with this. Let's get started with this today topic, which is a candy drop. I have mentioned many times about the candy drop, which is we have to complete the minimal requirement of trading into the specified token to get the candies as a reward. If you collect the candies as a reward, then you can use it candies to get your rewards. That too, you can collect. Based on the certain number of candies, you can use the candies, 5 candies, or the number specified from that option. You can exchange it as a GT. I will show you. So here is the yarn option, and here is the candy drop. This is what we are gonna discuss, and the project which we are gonna talk today is Skate. Uh, so this is a candy drop. Here many projects are available, and this is Kate is today I'm gonna talk. You can see. So this is gonna end in 18 hours. So if you want to participate, that you can make. If you if you want to participate, you need to trade minimal amount. I will tell you the trading methods and what are the things you have to done for it. Because if you complete those steps, you are eligible to get that rewards. Otherwise you can't. Okay, let's get started. So here is a skate. Just click on join now. Okay, this is an ongoing project currently. Okay, so I will give you the explanation what the candy drop was. Okay, so yes, let me continue. So this is a project. So Candydrop, we have different tasks to get the candy. So Candydrop, the name itself, we can understand that this is a kind of a candy project. So you're gonna get reward as a candy. Okay, so it's very easy to identify. So what was this candy's task and how to complete and how you can get your reward? I will give you the full details. So here is the skate project. Here you can complete the futures training to share six worth of skate. Okay, this is skate token. An individual can share up to 1,000 skate from this activity. We'll also see the price of the skate, everything we'll see. Okay. So before joining into this activity, I will give you clarity what are the reward sections we have. First, we have to complete this task, which we have the login task. That is task one, the skate futures trading task. Minimum 10 USDT worth of skate tokens refuses to receive one candy. It's so easy, guys. Actually, for other candy drop activity, you can't do this. But this here, because minimum they also submit a hundred for a spot rate. Yeah, but here we have for a futures. So futures, it's so easy to complete 10 USDT worth of skate tokens. You can also use the leverage. Yeah, so that you can also use, even though we have an option here to start our taking. It is so easy, minimum $10. Okay, that's the first thing. And if you did it, you're gonna get a one candy for it. Okay, so one candy, what is the price of one candy? So if you want to buy the candy in any shop, minimum for Indian dollars right now, minimum 1 rupee. Likewise, but the worth of candy in a gate exchange. Let's see what's the worth of candy in a gate exchange, and that they are offering as a skate token reward, which is so easy and simple for you to enter this, and also they are offering you for the futures. Okay, so let's check what is the price of single skate. Let me enter the trade. I think we can go to the new tab. We'll trade in the spot for the skate. If that's but the necessity here is you have to do it in a features. Okay, so price of single skate is $0.04. Okay, let's see what's the price of single candy they're offering for completing the task. That I will check it out. Hey Biba, hello Biba, welcome. Good evening Biba, glad to meet you. Thank you so much. Sorry, I missed your comments. Okay. Yeah. So this is the correct price of the skate. Let's see what they are gonna offer us. For single candy, you're gonna get 7.65 skate. So let's see what is the price actually here. USDT. We'll calculate 7.5. We can easily take that 7.5. They're gonna give you 0.31 of skate, that is a reward. 7.6, sorry. So it's 7.6. Yeah, so totally you're gonna get for single candy, you're gonna get $0.3. It's a random, because randomly I'm calculating when the price is getting increased, and of course you're gonna get the higher amount of profits from that too. That is also available here that you can see. Yeah. So currently, you can see after it get listed, the highest price, that is all-time high of this skate was $0.12. And right now it's trading for the amount of 0.04203, and recent high is 0.05. So which is in a very a days basis, that is 24th of June. We got it for 0.5, but right 0.05, but right now it's trading in a 0.04. It's so simple to identify. And even the market is dumping today, so it's also reflecting in all other coins, right? So that we can't avoid those functions. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is a price currently going on. Okay. So for the single candy, and only for $10, you're gonna get 0.03. Yeah. Sorry, $0.3. And task two, that is a first task you can complete. And the second task we have GT features trading task, that you have to trade a GT in a features. So just not less than 10 USDT, you have to trade in a GT in a futures to receive one candy. Again, you're gonna get the same next candy with the same worth of candies, right? So it's actually 14.15 points, 1 or 2 something. Okay, so 15 we can go with if you complete two. These two are $20 task. Okay, so forget about it. Okay, 7. We have a 15 point something. Okay, you can say 15 and 0.6 dollars you're gonna get just by completing this two tasks. Okay, which is so easy. Just by completing this two tasks, you're gonna receive this. Okay, and climb up to 1,000 skate, that rewards will be distributed to your wallet after activity was ended. Okay, so this is the first task. They have provided the duration to complete, and it's gonna end by tomorrow. Okay, before that itself, you have to make your participation into that, so don't miss out. And next, which is spot trade. So this is a feature for a futures trade. You can see this is a futures trade activity, and next we have a spot trade activity. And you can have to join for both activities separately here. Skyfall, hi Skyfall, welcome, thank you. I'm great, Skyfall. What about you? Okay, so the task is two task we have for futures trade, and as well we have the spot trade. If you want to participate, you have to participate as separately for both. Because if you're willing to start trade in the futures, then you have to join separately. And, again, if you want to make a spot trade, that you can join separately. So two different tasks we have. So both on both we are gonna join right now. Okay. So with this spot trade, what are the rules? Because for the features trade, we have seen the rules on this. Yeah. And let's see what is the rules for this. You want a market outlook. Already in a previous live itself, I have talked about it. Even though, let me explain you. Don't expect the bull run on this end of June. That is what I'm gonna tell for you, because the Ishimoku cloud, you can also add the indicator on your chart itself, because if you add that, and it will give you what kind of movements is gonna expected by um, this end of the month, because only 3 days left, no, and even it is also kind of a weekend. So always be aware that during a weekend such market movements will not happen, but sometimes rarely many investors will arrive at the time of Sundays or Saturdays. But for 90 percentage, there is a chance for a negative, that is sideways or bear market is expected. Okay, that's my analysis. If you want to make any investment, just try to make your own analysis, which is my recommendation. And also up to Monday, you can see that sideways. But after Monday night, Indian time, 9:30 p.m., you can see that market to react positive, which is beginning of July 1st. I'm expecting that to happen. Let's wait, and maybe if the next month, if we got this um, red cutoff, then of course the all season is also expected. But most probably, I'm expecting it by next month. It's not nothing in our hand, right? So just wait and watch. Thanks for the cup of coffee, brother. Okay, let's get into this topic, Candydrop. That is, and after completing this, we have to detail to discuss about the project. Yeah. Yes. So this gate, this has a spot trade. So what? How you can earn candy again? Of course, just by making a trade. Here also, they're offering to start trade for minimum $10. I have seen many projects already in a candy drop. They're asking to trade minimum $100, and you're lucky if you want to trade the skate and get the candies very easily. This might be so easy for you to enter, because it's only $10. You can also use it in all category, whether if you complete this futures trade, then you can make use of same $10 to participate in a spot, and all kind of stuffs. You can use the same $10 to receive your candies. So by getting a candies, just convert it to a skate, that they will also offer you the candy to a skate, and price is also reacting so well with the skate. But the future of the project, that we have to analyze the project first, and later on we'll discuss. I will first let you know what is a candy drop and how to participate, isn't it? Okay, let's continue. So here we have the task one on the spot rate. So here we have the skate spot rate. So minimum volume is 10 USDT. It is equivalent to skate tokens. You will earn one candy. And again, it's a GD, same as like for the futures trade. The same thing is available for the spot trade also. Same way you're gonna participate, but the rewards is gonna change. It's because why I'm saying is, for this futures, the reward will be nearly 7 point something. So they are offering nearly 7 point something skate. But here they are giving only 3.87 skate for you, which is so less when compared to the features of activity. But it's more better to get something, not to get it anything, right? So that we can have participation from here too. Okay. So, so this is for the portrait. Yes, I hope you are clear with the topics which we are discussing. Still, if you have any queries on the topic which we are focusing on, feel free to ask me in the comments, because I'm always here to give you clarity on what we are talking, and about the market insights. So, yeah, okay. So let me continue. So this is next task. So this is a second task you can complete. That's it. Only two tasks, which is so easy. And for both tasks, you can use only $10, which is so easy. I think the continuous traders, they can make it so possible for done, but I'm not sure for all. But new users can make use of this opportunity to get little bit, right? Gate user CD6, hi brother, welcome. Thank you for joining. Hope you're doing well and try to comment in English, guys, so that I will reply you. I can understand what you are trying to say. I will reply you. If you want my reply, just comment in English. Okay. So if you want to join this, first click on the. This is a futures trading. Just click on a join. My participation was successful here. Then I had to trade this for $10 in a futures. Again, I think if you participate in a single, it will automatically you can participate in both price pools. Sorry, in the beginning I had told you that we have to join separately for both, but it's not last like that. It is, if you join a single task, it will automatically get you participated in both. Okay, that you can complete by your own whatever the task you have to complete. Yes, I have registered for this Kate, and the project details, which is very important to come across with this project. Let's get started. And before that, we need to find the exact website which is available from the Gate Exchange itself. So from the site itself, the info, you can collect this reward. So you can collect the site. Okay. So we'll see first the one line of this project. So Skate, this is a multi-VM virtual machine, I think so. It is infrastructure project that lets any decentralized application run seamlessly across a multiple blockchains, and both EVM and alternative VMs, that is, the virtual machines. It also provides native access to virtual machine specific applications on other chains. So, this EVM apps can operate directly within SVM or move environments. So, Skate's core product is a Skate AMM, enabling a multi VM single liquidity curve across all chains. Okay, so this is a simple explanation about it, but we also have the white paper and the project site. So we'll start one by one. We are enter the site, official site of the project. If you wanted to find the official site, that is so easy. Just try from the exchange itself, because sometimes the fake sites, but people also used to use fake sites. That way they may lose their assets too. So just for a safer zone, we'll always try to find the websites from the exchange side, or else you can try from their official Twitter page. That could be so easy and also safer side also. Okay, I hope you understood what I tried to explain. Let me continue. கலைக்கனவினில் காதல் கொஞ்சம் கண்விழி தீராமல். Okay, so here is connecting connecting all virtual machines they are trying to do in their project. So Skate enables the users to interact with applications from any virtual machine while staying on their favorite virtual machine. So this is a kind of a switching. We can interact with it. It's a kind of a bridging too, we can say. Let's see how to build the Skate. For that, we need to first perform the valid connection, I think so. They are asking. So if you want to build on Skate, here is the information. They're asking to fill the name and everything. We'll see what's inside this. So without answering, we can't move for the next question. So I can't show you, and I don't want to answer it in a live. Okay, right. So here is the way they are showing you how to build on their virtual machines. So what they are doing, so building the future of cross virtual machine interactions. So connecting all virtual machines, use your favorite application from your favorite virtual machine, spanning across EVM, TVM, SVM, and much more. Next, the single app all chains. So you can run and use the same application on all chains. So single interface, unified experience. So frictionless integration, integrate your application with the skate in minutes without the need for complex SDKs. Okay. So here, the leaders, industry leaders, yeah, you can see the industry leaders here, and explore the ecosystem. Let's explore what the ecosystem has. Ethereum base. Okay. So the ecosystem they have everything. Oh my God, it's so big. Yes, nice. Okay. Yes. Right. So they have some more documents. Even that too, we have here too. The documents, blog ecosystem, everything. Let's enter the ecosystem. Let's see what is inside the ecosystem. We're not entering machines. We are into that. So here, skate AMM. So first, we have to connect our wallet to make this swapping, sending everything. Here we have the ecosystem of issues. All right. So here the documents, full document about this that I will try to explain you one by one. Okay, so let's see. Let's understand this skate. So first, skate connects all virtual machines and enables the users to interact with the applications from any virtual machine while staying on their favorite virtual machine. And also, you can visit the skate park. So this is a place where users can dive into the ecosystem of cross virtual machine applications and earn ollies. So this represents your commitment. So the oldest I mentioned, it is just representing your commitment and aims to reward those that build and grow the skate ecosystem. And the third part, they have engaging with the skate community also. You can engage like with the Discord and Twitter that you can make a communication from that. Okay. So the main thing we need is just to understand the skate. So skate is an infrastructure layer that enables users to interact seamlessly from their native chains by connecting them to all virtual machines, EVM, Ton VM, Solana VM. For users, they provide the applications that run from and in their preferred environment. For developers, they manage cross-chain complexities and introduce a new application paradigm to enable applications be built with the single application state while serving all chains, all virtual machines. So this why we need to use this gate. Everyone have a question, right? Of course, but I'm not sure everyone having a question or not. But I have this because lots and lots of projects are listing now. So what is why we need to use gate? So that we need some answer for it, right? So that we'll see why we need this gate and what they are trying to do. And the price changes, the charts we can see for the skate. And we always into the 4 hours time frame to see that exact production. You can also add the indicator here. I always add the indicator each move cloud for the next upcoming future movements. So you can see that it's expecting the same sideways and the negative up to 0.04 205 you can expect, or raise it 0.03 is expected for this skate. So I'm not a financial advisor here. Once again, I'm mentioning. I'm just showing you the opportunities and also trying to analyze something about the token too. So if you want to invest, make your own analysis. Okay, so these virtual machines are the foundation of blockchains, allowing for the execution of smart contracts and the development of decentralized applications. While the EVM pioneered virtual machines, the exponential growth of alternative, which is the virtual machines such as Solana VM, Ton VM, and Move VM, in held during a new multi-chain primitive for Web3. Each of those virtual machines offers a unique value propositions and advantages, carving out and or solidifying their positions in the blockchain space. However, despite their advantages, many of these chains remain nascent in terms of application maturity. Ethereum continues to lead the application space, maintaining the deepest liquidity and the most mature application ecosystem. For new users accessing existing EVM applications across the chains often requires a cumbersome and intuitive cross-chain navigation, creating barriers to a seamless experience. Developers face a similar hurdles as they must manage varying technical architectures, which is differing implementations and cross-chain integrations, adding to the complexity of app development. So Skate wants to revolutionize user experience and developer experience by introducing an orchestration layer to connect all virtual machines to all users in their native environment. They want Ton users to stay on Ton while they facilitate interactions to other virtual machines such as EVM and Solana. Okay, so that is what they are trying to say. And also they try to talk about the skate park. So I will tell you what the skate park was. Okay, so yes, let me continue about the skate park. So this skate park is a place where users can dive into the ecosystem of cross VM applications and beyond the OLIS. So OLIS, I already talked about the OLIS means. I think we have to get clarity what OLIS means, which there is a maximum supply of 5 billion OLIS in the circulation, and it's represents such each individual commitment to build and grow skate. So how to get the all this? So first thing, you can learn all this from four board categories. First thing, actively interacting with the suite of skate cross-chain applications and experiencing a transform user experience. Second thing, you can the community engaging with their community and joining the latest events. Third is Duffy participating in a stake fee campaigns. Finally, referring friends to join the skate park. So this is the four ways you can join this activity. And they have some more features, applications. First, skate shuffle spin. So that is skate shuffle is the first uh, featured application. So this we have to spin to interact with the my rate of EVM applications from your favorite alt VM. So currently one is Solana Virtual Machine. Explore the possibilities, witness the magic. Second, which is a skate polymarket. So this polymarket plays a bet from your favorite alt virtual machine, which is Solana virtual machine, Ton virtual machine, and access a polymarket on Polygon. No bridging required for this, which is Eclipse Ton. Yeah, and the as usual, the community engagement about it. So, and later on, we can also see that there is some more architecture overview they have offered. The skate hub chain, the central hub that handles all logic processing and stores the application state. That is possible. Okay, right. Okay, let me continue. So next we have the skate ABS. So an ABS deployed an eigen layer that facilitates the secure delegation of restaked Ethereum to skate the executor network. It serves as a primary source of truth, ensuring that the executors perform the required actions on destination chains. Third is executor network, a network of executors responsible for executing actions as defined by the application. So each application has its own set of executors too. So as a hub chain, Skate maintains and updates a shared state, providing derivative, which is a directives for connector peripheral chains, which will respond only to call data provided by the skate. This is facilitated by their executor network, and of which each executor is a registered ABS operator and is also responsible for executing this task. In the event of any dishonest behavior, they will depend. They can depend on the ABS as a truth of truth to penalize the funding operators. Okay, that too they have an option. So user flow. We can scale the skate, which is primarily intent powered, and each intent encapsulates key information that expresses what a user wants to perform while also defining the necessary parameters and the boundaries. Users will only be required to sign intents through their own native wallet and will only interact from that chain, creating a user native environment. So the end-to-end intent flow is a desired thing which we have a source chain. User will initiate action on by signing intent on ton, Solana, or EVM. So executor receives the intent and call process intent on skate. So this creates a task that encapsulates a key information for executors for task execution. This also emits a task submitted event. Areas validators will be actively listening for task submitted events and will verify the contents of each task. Upon achieving quorum in their areas, the relayer will issue a signature that is required for task execution. And next, they have a destination chain that executor calls executed task on gateway contract. The gateway contract will verify that task was validated by AVS through the issuance of a valid relayer's signature before the function call defined in task that can be performed. Okay. And function call data is also executed and intent is marked as complete. Okay. And one more thing, the kernel components, which is the kernel layer, is also available. And in depth view of the kernel layer, we are gonna see that components are responsible for managing the unified state and executive that is essential logic from that. Okay, I will also give you clarity on it. Before that, let me check into the comment section and any other comments are available. Let me check out first. I think no one have queries till now. Okay, that's nice. So they have a message box option, a single contract that defines interface for all skate applications to register user intent and corresponding execution task, which it serves as an entry point for creating intents, and all executors will source this contract for pending actions. So the base contract that the all kernel implementations must inherit from Skate app does, transforming user intents to imperative task for executions, pushing the relevant data into message box, link the kernel application to avoid the periphery applications on destination chains. Okay. Okay, so you can see the price changes currently. The new day was begin and the market was started positively, but nothing is in our hand. And continuing towards more positive is, of course, not possible at all. But Ethereum was being in a positive, but sorry, uh, okay, BTC is also in a positive. It's a 0.08 percentage, but this Ethereum was higher when compared with the Bitcoin. That is what we need that to get the all season, but still, that is a list of things we have to manage for it. Okay, so this Gate app application, the base contract that all the kernel implementations must inherit from Skate application does, which is transforming a user intent to imperative task for the executions, pushing a relevant data into message box, link the kernel application to all periphery applications on destination chains. Okay, I think I try to explain as much I can about the project, and let's continue with this uh, stuff like we have the yarn option. That is the candy drop. First, this is what I told you, the yarning method from the candy drop for the skate. And not only skate, we have multiple projects here. Here you can see MTO is there. So if you enter this, you can see the task which they provided. They're asking for 30,000 USDT. This is a comparison I'm giving for you, because the comparison, if you see, for this task and for the skate task, those are so easy to complete. See, which is $30,000, $50,000, $80,000. It's for a futures, and again for a spot, it is $5,000, $7,000, and $10,000. But for the skate, it's only $10 they are asking you to do. Yeah, which is so simple to have it. That's why I told you already. They ask for $100, minimum $100, but that is more than that. We're also seeing that for different projects, that you can check out all the projects available in a Candy Drop, which we have the NAM, SGC, brick also. Already we made analysis with the brick, DMC also we made. And did you, it's a newly listed. We have BTC also, guys. It's a little bit crazy. We have still 13 days for this. And if you trade the BTC in a futures, not less than $50,000, we get a single candy, and the reward you're gonna get is 0.007 BTC. Seriously? They're offering a bigger value. You trade a $50,000, you're gonna get this $0.007. Let's see price of that. 0.0076. Okay, 0.0076 of BTC. Oh my god. Seriously? They're gonna offer you $836. Seriously, for the single candy. And yeah, guys, completing 50,000 USDT. It's so easy. If you have $500, you can complete it. And just by spending a $500, you're gonna get the this $800. Oh my god. It's so easy. Seriously, it's so easy to get the biggest reward. If you participate in other Candy Drop, you don't have a chance to win this much of bigger level. But here we have an option to win a big level that you can't miss for sure. Okay. So next, it's a inviting task. If you invite new friends here, then they will that newcomers reward you're gonna get 0.002, which is one candy worth is 0.002. Let's see the price of that 0.002 also, which is $200. Who will offer you this much? Even get a lot offer in other tasks. They are having a BTC trading task, and they are offering it a bigger level of rewards here. So I think this is the place everyone can participate and grab their profit. So as well, we have a launch poll. So from the launch poll, we have the projects currently we have, and here you can stake USDT, GT, likewise. Still BTC is also there. So you can stake and collect your rewards from this and hold a rate of this is a way you can get a free tokens, but you need to stake a GT in your wallet. So if you're holding a GT, and then you're gonna receive the project token to your wallet. It's so easy, and still Launchpad is searching for something, some best projects. It's still they are trying for the best projects with the Launchpad. So I hopefully enjoy this because the Candydrop BTC is has a biggest amount of earning which we have. If you use this opportunity, you can get a lot. Okay, so I wanted to give you the clarity on those, and I made it. I hope so. Yeah. So I hope this may help you to enter those activities happening in a gate exchange, and you may win a lot from this activities. I hope this helpful for you. Okay. And thank you everyone for joining this today live stream. We'll see you in a tomorrow with a different topic and different stuffs we'll discuss by tomorrow. And thank you so much everyone. Bye bye. Take care all.